We have iPhone 12 news. We have an event date. Invites. I saw digital invites go out, and it was like all over my social media. When the invite went out, it's like everybody I follow posted this screenshot.
At the same time.
At the exact same time. The whole feed was just this orange Apple logo. Of course, I went to check my inbox afterwards. I was like, let me go see if I have a glowing orange invite in my inbox. What do you think I found, Will?
A lot of emails talking about the Indian.
Yeah, that's all. I
debacle.
I didn't have this invite, but it didn't matter because these events, what are they now? I mean, anybody can watch. It's kind of weird that there even is an invite because anybody can log on and watch. It's not like a private event or anything. You watch it online at apple.com, October 13th, 10 a.m. Pacific. And of course, this is the biggest event of the year for Apple. This is the iPhone event. This is the iPhone 12. We seem to know so much about it, but people, they still want to read into the invite to figure out because Apple always puts the Easter eggs in there, right? They always seem to try to indicate sort of what they're going to be talking about in some way through an Easter egg on the invite. Now you see the orange circles, spheres, whatever they are. Some people thought it was part of the audio conversation because Apple is rumored to be launching their own over-ear headphones at this event. So could there be a play there? It also says high speed. We know there's going to be some 5G talk around iPhone 12, so that would be the speed component. Obviously, it's going to be the fastest iPhone that they've done, A14 stuff, so there's that piece as well. But it's all speculation at this moment as to what they're trying to indicate with the invite. Maybe it could also, I heard another one around wireless charging. That maybe because there was a rumor of magnetic wireless charging, that they would put these magnetic discs, circular discs, and then we have the circles there. It's a lot of speculation, as it would be for an Apple event. Everybody, you know how this goes, Will. You got to have a take. So we don't have to wait too much longer. October 13th, we're going to find out so much more. There's also an AR component to this invite that you can goof around with if you choose to. But we pretty much know what to expect. It's new iPhones. iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini is what I'm interested in looking at, as well as, of course, the highly spec'd versions. Those are always interesting, too. The new chip, how fast it is, we're going to find out. And also how quickly we're going to be able to get these things. What will the ship date be? That's interesting as well, because there's a time crunch here since we're so delayed having the event basically a month later than usual. So we're going to find out very shortly. iPhone 12 coming up real soon.